What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? I guess you're not supposed to do that with this type of mask on, huh? I don't know. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am TonyaNicole, and today we're doing Day of the Dead, I think it's called. Yeah, I'm feeling this little mask, but y'all, I'm telling y'all, I cannot keep this on the whole video because I'm already sweating. So, guys, today is Monday, and we got our BoxyCharm in. It's early, and I'm ready to unbox it. Yeah. So, if you guys want to see what's in this month's BoxyCharm, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing today. Okay, guys, it was a nice run with the mask, but y'all, this mask is too hot. I cannot wear that the whole entire time. That's like a double negative. But guys, welcome to my channel. I am so happy you guys decided to press that button and watch your girl today. Y'all, we have a BoxyCharm that's quite early this month, and I'm very excited about it. So yeah, my week is starting off on a good note with BoxyCharm. Well, I hope it's going to continue to be a good week after I open this box, because I know one item that I'm getting, I don't know. But anyway, guys, I'm very excited to be doing this BoxyCharm unboxing for you guys. Today, I tried to get into the Halloween spirit with this little ensemble, but y'all, it's just too hot to wear this mask throughout this whole video. So without further ado, we're going to get some specs on BoxyCharm, and we're going to get to this unboxing. Okay, guys, so y'all know that BoxyCharm made a few changes recently. These boxes here, starting next month in November, will be $25 per month. They're going up by $4, which is not really a big deal to me because the value of BoxyCharm is so high that, you know, $25, it's not that bad. I don't like the price increase. I never do. I'm always resistant to price change. But, I mean, I would still say that it's worth it in the end. They will be having like this Boxy 2.0 that's $35 per month, and they still will have the Boxy Luxe. So I was on the fence about whether I wanted to get the just the premium box at $35 a month, or just keep my regular BoxyCharm at $25 a month and then do my Boxy Luxe. So I'm thinking I'm gonna keep my subscription as it is right now, and then once we're able to get the 2.0 box and then upgrade every 3 months to the Luxe, then I will switch. I'm not sure yet, guys. That's what I'm thinking. Now, y'all know that's subject to change because I'm always changing, but that's where we're at so far. Let me know in the comments down below what you're doing. Are you keeping the regular subscription and then doing Boxy Luxe? Or are you just gonna cancel that one and do the premium? Or are you gonna get all three? Y'all know I'm not doing that because I don't have that kind of money, right? Yeah. Okay, guys, so yeah. I think I gave you all the specs, right? So yeah, guys, this subscription is $21 per month. It will be $25 starting in November, which is next month, my birthday month. You get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products each month with a minimum value of at least $100. Now, I think the value is also going up starting next month to, I think, $125 or I'm not sure, but I know it's going up. So that's good, right? Yes. So guys, if you want to sign up for BoxyCharm, I do have a link down below if you guys want to use it. If not, hey, look, that's cool. You can sign up on your own or just watch me unbox my boxes, right? Yes. So guys, without further ado, let's get right on into this unboxing because I want to see what we got. So the box is quite small for this month, but let's go on ahead and open it. I'm gonna cut it open because I haven't even opened it yet. So y'all ready? Yeah, of course you are. I'm having the toughest time with these boxes. Ooh, okay. And y'all know we got our black foam back. On the top here, it says #BoxyCharm. And let's see what content we got on the inside. Oh, wait. Girl, I got 2 cards. Does that mean I got double the products? I seriously doubt it. But guys, each month BoxyCharm comes with this little card right here, and this time it's a card that opens up. We usually just get like a solid little cardstock, but we got a little paper one that opens up now, and it does tell you about the BoxyCharm Premium, and that is the beauty subscription worth over $175 for $35 a month starting in November. Yeah, and you can do add-ons now. They're gonna have the Boxy pop-up. So Boxy is really getting like Ipsy Boo. Now BoxyCharm, y'all stealing from Ipsy. Okay, well. Okay guys, so enough about that. Let's see what we got this month. So up first out of our little box of goodies, we have this iconic London Prep Set and Glow spray here. I think this is the original formula because I think the other one is like really dark. Yeah, which would have been my shade, but this is the original, and this was one of the products that I chose. I'm not sure why I chose this, being that I have oily skin, but I did choose it, so I can't blame BoxyCharm because I did. I'm not gonna spray it. However, I will be putting this in a giveaway for someone because I don't know if I could use this, guys. Ooh, I don't know. You know I want to spray it. Y'all know I want to spray it, right? I do, but I'm not gonna spray it. But this is the iconic London Prep Set Glow Spray. It's a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with iconic glow. It's a multi-use spray that can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. So yeah, guys, this retails for $29. Up next, I am pulling out this pencil here that, I don't know if I like this. This is, let me see what the name of this kohl pencil here. Let's see. So this is Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. And this is, oh, I forgot to tell you guys the theme for this month is After Dark. That's a theme that I like. So I'm all off track, y'all. I'm sorry. But yeah, so this is a black eyeliner, a pencil eyeliner, and it retails for $7. Now, I don't know. I don't like getting no wooden pencils in those subscriptions. I mean, now BoxyCharm, if y'all gonna go up on the price, I mean, I don't want to see any more eyeliners in y'all boxes, period. I really don't. But yeah, so this retails for $7. I can always use a black eyeliner. It's not the issue, but come on, it's BoxyCharm. I don't expect to get $7 products. Just saying. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all want me to swatch that pencil? Let's swatch it. Let's give a quick swatch right quick. Ooh, but girl, Lord, that pigment is dark. Wait, let me make it a little wider. Yes, that's a beautiful black pencil. So I still don't want to see it in BoxyCharm. I'm being difficult today, y'all. Sorry. All right, guys, let's pull the next item out. Ooh, we got something from Hank and Henry. And this is, what is this? Let's see. This is the Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. The mascara will have you feeling like you have major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The dual wand applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. Okay, so y'all know I have a lot of mascara, but I need to see what it looked like, y'all. And this is the shade Clout. I like that. We're gonna open it. What y'all think? Yeah, we're gonna open it. Because I could put this on my table and use this when I'm getting ready. All right, guys, let's see. So, oh, wow. So this is the wand part in the middle, and this is what the bottom lash line wand looks like. Very thin. That is perfect for getting underneath the eyes. I will say that, because that's my issue. I'll have like I will have like spots underneath my eyes because the wands are so fat, and so I'm very happy to get that. And this is the side for the top lashes. Beautiful wand. I love it. I've heard a lot about Hank and Henry's formula, so I'm very excited to try this out, and I will be using this soon. So I love the packaging when we do another Get Ready With Me, I will feature this. So yeah, guys. And this retails for 19 buckaroos. Next up, I am seeing from Mellow this tinted brow gel, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And what shade is this? This is shade dark brown, so that will match me. And it says on here, achieve effortless tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's tinted brow gel. A lightweight non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. So let's see what this is. So it's perfect to use over powder or pencil. So let's get it open. Oh my God, I'm having problems with this. Now, I received Mellow in my Ipsy Glam bag before, a liquid eyeliner that I actually use every day when I go to work. So, ooh, the wand on this thing is super fat. Like, it's very fat. It doesn't seem like it's a, let's add a little bit to my brows. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I can't tell until I do my brows over, but it doesn't feel super wet. It has a little moisture to it, I won't lie, but it doesn't feel super, super wet, which I hate a really wet brow gel. I just hope that it dries down kind of matte so that my brows don't look too shiny, because I don't like a shiny brow. And this, guys, retails for $16. So BoxyCharm, I think, is giving us like an eye box for this month, pretty much, huh? I know. All right, guys, so last up, oh, girl, Lord, we have the Sassy Sienna's Dose of Color palette right here. And this, oh, girl, I can see the shades on the back, and ooh. So it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and talc-free. Let's just hurry up and open it, because I'm very excited about this. It's a little brush. There's a little brush that comes with it right here. And let me show you guys the palette. And this, guys, I hope you guys can see it with no glare, is what the palette looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch all of these. This is like a perfect fall palette. Now, they do feel powdery to touch, but y'all know how I feel about eyeshadows. I don't care how they swatch. I see the magic when I put that brush on this pan and then on that eye. This is what they look like on my fingertips, guys. That's what they swatched out like. These two colors look quite similar. Yeah, I'm not sure. And there's a color up here, but it just blends in with my skin tone. So, I mean, they didn't swatch out really good, but I mean, I've heard great things about Dose of Colors and their shadows and their lipsticks. So I'm hoping that it does a good job on my lips, I'm hoping that it does a good job on my eyes. We will have to do a tutorial soon on makeup that I received in subscription boxes, and we will be using this palette as well. So, guys, let's see what this retails for. Dose of Color eyeshadow palette retails for $32, guys. And it was an all matte palette as well. So that was our last product in this month's box. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts. I'm going to rate the box, and we'll be done. So we received from Dose of Colors this beautiful Sassy Sienna palette here. From Mellow Cosmetics, this beautiful eyebrow tint. From Hollywood, what is this? Hollywood and Vine, this velvety touch eyeliner, which actually is pretty pigmented and black. From Iconic London, this Prep Set and Glow Spray here. And from Hank and Henry, this mascara duo. 5 products for this month. Final thoughts on this box is that I am pleased with my products. Am I overly ecstatic? No, but I am pleased with these products. BoxyCharm did more of like an eye box this month, which I'm not mad at. I'm just hoping that the products perform really well on my skin, and then we'll go from there. But first impressions wise, just looking at the box, it's an okay box. I am excited to use this Dose of Colors palette here, as well as the Hank and Henry mascara duo. I'm gonna try out this brow gel and let you guys know. And this pencil is pretty pigmented. So yeah, I think 4 out of the 5 is good. I actually could still use this for the winter time. So I don't know, y'all, if I'm gonna put this in a giveaway or just try it out. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I'm just most disappointed about receiving a $7 pencil in BoxyCharm. But for the most part, I am happy with my box. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, I'm going to pay 35 plus 25 plus 55 for BoxyCharm. That ain't going to happen. But we're going to give BoxyCharm for this month a solid 3.5 for this month. I'm not mad with the box. I like the box. We're gonna do 3.5. Y'all, I'm so, oh, I cannot decide, Lord. But let me know, guys, in the comments down below what your thoughts are on this month's box. Let me know if you're gonna do the $25 box, the $35 box, the $50 box, all three, or which ones you guys are gonna be subscribed to. I really am interested in knowing that. I'm thinking right now I will keep my subscription as is with my $25 box and then get my Boxy Luxe every 3 months because I really love getting the Boxy Luxe. Yeah, so let me know, guys, in the comments down below, what would you rate this box for this month? It's a good box. I'm just not overly ecstatic about the box, but I do like majority of the products, so I would say it's a good month. So guys, again, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have not already subscribed to your girl, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be a part of this bomb ass subscriber squad family. We love to see new people in our comments, and I love interacting with all of you guys. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I am most active on Instagram. I don't even think I use Facebook anymore. Yeah, so Instagram would be the place to follow me. Also, that's it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this box, what subscription you're going to get with BoxyCharm, and do you think it's worth the $25? How do you feel about the price increase? So guys, that is all that I have for today's video. I hope you guys have a beautiful Monday and a beautiful rest of your week. I love you all so much. Peace!